Meus chafias.
Always wash.
Oh yeah.
J'ai failli chuter depuis longtemps. Baby, won't you be mine? J'aimerais que tu saches que I'm falling for you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Stecybenz and I am a Cameroonian YouTuber based in China. I am also a hairstylist here in China. I am located in Shanghai, China. Okay, so if you want to do your hair, please contact me on WeChat with the ID Stecybenz, same name as my YouTube channel. Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how to do a frontal sew-in. So I'm not going to waste so much time showing you how I did my ball cap method, but I will leave a video up on this card so you can check how to do your ball cap method the right way, like I did in this video. So the client had these frontals and 3 bundles of 20 inches. She actually sent her hair in advance so that I can bleach and customize them. So in order to make sure the frontal lays on the spot which you want to make sure she helps you in holding it, and then try to check if it's not twisted. Make sure it's smooth as she is holding it. Try to pull it back so that it's not twisted. I don't know if you know what I mean. So once you place the frontal where you're supposed to place them, make sure you take your time to sew it the right way. Let it go.
Let it go. Damn, this is too. Oh, I can't wait for this movie to come out.
So after I was done sewing the back, I had to use 3 layers of bold hole active. That is, I would put it on her forehead, like her hairline, like you see on the video, 3 times, and then let it air dry clear before sticking the frontal on her forehead. When sticking the frontal, make sure you make the client help you hold the lace so that you stick it where it's supposed to be, so that you don't make a mistake and put it on the wrong spot. So yeah, that's why she's holding it straight on the other side. So I'm going to stick this side and then go ahead and stick the other side, then cut the lace, take out the baby hairs and tie it with my elastic band. You can see I'm actually cutting the lace in section, and then I'm going to use my eyebrow razor to cut off the extra lace. The reason for using this eyebrow razor is because I want to make sure that it doesn't look like a straight hairline. It looks the edge of the lace looks zigzag, like not fine but rough, so that it looks natural. So after cutting the lace, make sure you press the front, the extra lace to lay down very well. Look how melted this thing is without even doing the melt down. So I'm going to use the hot comb to comb the hair backward and also create the part. She wanted a side part, so I'll just make sure I create the part and take out baby hairs, then do the melt down. So just keep on watching. If at this point you haven't you haven't liked the video, what are you waiting for? Please like, share, subscribe. We are on our way to 20k, so help a girl get to 20k. So for those of you in China, you can also get the wax stick from me. You can contact me on WeChat to get the wax stick. It's 40 kwai, 40 RMB. You need the wax stick to actually make the hair smooth. It acts like hair holding. It acts like a smoothing hair thing. You just need it. You need it for your straight hair to avoid flying hairs. Look how blended this thing is with her hairline. Oh my god, yes. I'll go ahead and sew the bundles behind. You can just do whatever you like. I don't want to come here and start telling you have to do the elastic sewing, or you have to do this or that. Do what you think is good. Make sure it's strong. Don't hurt the client. So when I was done sewing the hair, I actually used my hot comb again to take part of the hair behind the frontal and blending them with the portion where I sewed the bundles, just like you see me doing. And then later I'm going to actually curl the wig, and then I'll show you guys how the end result. Keep watching. So right now I'm just going to do the baby hairs before I tie it again, before curling the wig. I forgot to mention earlier. You can do it with any.
I'm sorry.
Do you want to spin? Shake it. Shake it.
I'm trying to shake it, but I just like the curves too much.
Yes, Chef Sasha Fierce.
Always watch
Okay, tell them bye. Let me take a video.